you have other bus stops too, because you have bus stops that are being planned to be established. Not only the current bus stops, but there are possible bus stops that are not existing at the moment. So you understand by reading this, even maybe you're doing a part of it today, maybe you're assigned to do, this step by step. You should be planning as flexible as it might be. This is going to be a project that will be expanding a lot. Anyway, I think that's enough. These are the hardware. It even describes the ACs, air conditioners, UPSs, PCs, but it requires Windows 2000, for example. This is that old. It is a nice thing, like a historical document.
Do they get consulting to conjure these requirements documents?
I don't know, I really don't know.
They should.
They should have. It's maybe too late. No, they didn't finalize it.
Siz girdiniz mi hocam bu ihaleye?
A friend of mine gave this to me, and they were thinking about going into this. He was working for Probit. This was one of the partners of Probit, and they decided not to go in. Okay, so, well, going back to what I said, there is a distinction that that we all know about. There is a knowledge level and an operational level within our softwares. The knowledge level is something that you keep, but you're able to edit, add, remove, but you're not necessarily doing it every day, but you're doing it time to time. Like a retirement plan, an employee type, a pay strategy, that you don't do this time to time, but there is an operational level which is changing a lot. And only a few people have access to this. That a lot of more people have access to this one. Well, I hope to be able to talk about domain-specific languages. It is somehow related with this, because sometimes, and most often, you have, for example, XML files that when you run the software, it's reading some XML files, for your software. That is the configuration files that you're uploading. So that is actually a language that you're talking about, right? That's a language because you're describing something, maybe in XML form, maybe you are only defining a special language. You're telling the software to do some things at the beginning, to configure itself. There are some people interested in how these languages should be defined. There is even some patterns about those languages, up to the pattern language of languages. How should those languages be defined? Okay. So, what time is it? Oh, it is 4 o'clock now. Let's give a short break again, because it is 4 o'clock.